Welcome back to the Remodel Report, where we break down what is really happening in kitchen and bath remodeling, one project at a time. I am Chris, here with Jessica. Jessica, today is a little different. We are talking about an actual tool you can go use for free right now.
We are, Chris. USA Cabinet Store just launched a free walk-in shower layout simulator. It is built into their updated guide called 22 Walk-in Shower Ideas in 2026. And what is interesting is why they built it, because it sits right at the intersection of two big trends.
Okay, set those two trends up for me.
The first is demographic, and it is huge. The United States has entered what is being called the peak 65 window. Roughly 4.1 million Americans are turning 65 every single year during this surge. And according to the AARP 2024 Home and Community Preferences Survey, 75% of adults aged 50 and older want to stay in their current homes as they age.
So, 3 out of 4 older adults want to age in place in the home they already have.
Exactly. And that leads straight into the second trend, which is about the bathroom itself. The NKBA 2026 Bath Trends Report found that 55% of industry professionals now consider a larger shower more important than a bathtub, and 89% rank primary bathroom space allocation as a top priority.
So the tub is losing ground to the big walk-in shower, and the bathroom is where people want to spend their space budget.
Right. And when you combine those, aging in place plus bigger, safer showers, you get a real need for better planning. That same NKBA report says aging in place design is already mainstream for 32% of bath designers, and another 48% say it is on its way to becoming standard practice. So this is really becoming the default way to think about bathrooms, and closing that planning gap is exactly what this simulator is built for.
Let us get into the tool itself. What problem is it actually solving?
Here is the challenge they kept seeing. Homeowners fall in love with a shower design based on how it looks, a photo online, something on Pinterest, before anyone checks whether it will actually fit their real bathroom. Whether it fits the room dimensions, controls splash, retains warmth, and holds up for long-term use.
Which is how you end up with a gorgeous shower that is freezing, or that soaks the whole bathroom floor.
Precisely. So the simulator takes your actual room measurements, plus recognized planning benchmarks, and generates layouts that actually work in your space. And then you can take those layouts right into a remodeling consultation, so you are not starting from a blank page.
I really like that it starts from real measurements instead of a fantasy photo. What specific decisions does it help you make?
A few important ones. It helps you evaluate curbless-vs-curbed shower designs, which is a big aging-in-place question. It helps you assess warmth and splash control solutions. And it helps you understand the material requirements before you ever start construction.
Let me flag the curbless piece, because that is central to aging in place, right?
Hugely. A curbless shower, one with no lip to step over, is far safer and easier to use as mobility changes, and it is a cornerstone of accessible bathroom design. But curbless has real implications for drainage and waterproofing, so being able to test it in the simulator before committing is genuinely useful.
Let me get the quote from the person behind this. Amin Halak, the design director at USA Cabinet Store, said, "The demographic shift toward aging in place, combined with the industry trend toward larger showers, creates a critical need for better planning tools. Homeowners need to understand how walk-in shower dimensions will work in their specific space before committing to a remodel. This simulator bridges the gap between inspiration and practical implementation."
And that phrase, the gap between inspiration and practical implementation, is exactly it. There is so much inspiration out there. What is usually missing is the step that tells you whether it works in your actual room.
Now, this is a free tool, but it connects to the bigger business, correct?
It does. The simulator is part of USA Cabinet Store's broader bathroom remodeling approach, which includes custom cabinet installations, vanity solutions, and coordinated design. So the tool gets you a workable layout, and then they can take it all the way through, with end-to-end project management from the initial consultation to final installation.
Quick company snapshot before we wrap.
USA Cabinet Store operates 14 showrooms and has served more than 1,000 customers since it was founded in 2011. They specialize in complete bathroom renovations, modern design, and space optimization, which is exactly the skill set this whole aging-in-place shift calls for.
So the takeaway for today?
If a walk-in shower is anywhere on your radar, whether you are planning to age in place or you just want a bigger, better shower, start with the free simulator inside the 22 Walk-in Shower Ideas Guide. Put in your real measurements, test curbless versus curbed, check the splash and warmth, and walk into your consultation with a layout that already fits. It turns inspiration into something you can actually build. Just head to usacabinetstore.com to find it.
Perfectly put. That is it for this episode of the Remodel Report. If it helped, follow the show and share it with someone thinking about their bathroom. Thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks, everyone. See you next time.